In this video we're going to show you how to make a replacement charger for an Aldi WorkZone 18 volt drill driver. This should also work for other makes. Here's our original charger that stopped working, no lights as you see. Here's the underneath of the charger, we can see it as 18 volts and 1.7 amps. Just go on eBay and look for genuine HP laptop, 45 watts, 19.5 volts. Chop off the end, expose the wires, white's positive, black's negative. Undo the 4 screws underneath and open up the case. We can then take the further 4 screws and take the board off. There's the board. And we can unclip the power cables from the board. There's a bus and there's a positive and negative that are soldered onto that board. We'll just clip them all off. And there's the shoe that we're really interested in. I've drilled through the case so I've got a nice tight fitting on the cable. Connect the black to the black and the red to the white. So the red and the white are both positive. Put some electrical cable to insulate and push the blue cable away. That's just a control wire. Screw it all back together. Now we can do a quick test of it. We can see we're getting 19.5 volts. Let's give it a test. Only charge for 1 hour at a time initially, just to check that we're not going to get too hot. And roughly 1 hour would give you about 1 bar of power. There it is, fully charged, all to the top. And if we stick a power meter on it, which you can get for it very cheaply, you can see we're going to get 19.3. So roughly I'm looking to charge it up to 19.3 volts. I know it's full.